In UK construction and major projects, the hardest roles to fill are often the ones you cannot leave vacant. Supervisors, engineers, and specialist trades on critical sites. Astrala Nexus was built specifically for this world, a recruitment platform designed for UK construction, civil engineering, and mining. In May 2025, the Astrala team partnered with Clara Futura World to take a vision on paper and turn it into a live platform. Across 7 months, we moved from discovery to design to build to launch, delivering MVP 1 ahead of program, under budget, and to spec. Today, Astrala Nexus is live in the UK, focused on one clear outcome: filling tough vacancies faster, with better long-term fit and lower recruitment cost. At the heart of that model is intelligent market mapping, a one-off project where Astrala's customer success team maps the real market for talent around a client's hardest roles. Fawn, Siobhan, and Amy work with clients to define the brief, scan the market, and onboard candidates onto the platform for that specific challenge. Those candidates are matched to the vacancy, the role is filled, and the talent stays in the Astrala Nexus pool for future demand. On top of those projects, UK contractors subscribe to the platform, gaining unlimited access to matched candidates and saving significantly on permanent recruitment fees. By March 2026, Astrala Nexus had already secured 2 intelligent market mapping projects and multiple company subscriptions, with candidates joining the platform for free at scale. Behind the scenes, Clara Futura designed the concept, AI architecture, and delivery approach that made MVP 1 possible. As Brad puts it, Clara Futura helped us turn a vision into a platform our clients now pay for. The next step is already underway. Clara Nexus MVP 2, an emotionally intelligent AI recruiter co-pilot built into Astrala Nexus for UK construction. Clara Nexus will handle the routine coordination work, updates, nudges, and campaign launches, so Astrala's people can stay focused on relationships and decisions. Astrala Nexus is now a proven construction-native talent platform entering its AI phase. Right now, every time a UK construction, mining, or civil engineering employer picks up the phone to an agency for their next vacancy, they are renting access to talent they never truly own. Astrala Nexus offers a different path. Employers subscribe to the platform, post their roles, and receive matched candidates into a living, construction-native talent pool that grows with every project. For the hardest-to-fill vacancies, you can commission an intelligent market mapping project, a focused, fee-based search where our customer success team maps the market, engages candidates, and builds a pipeline you keep. If you are a UK construction professional, you subscribe and onboard to Astrala Nexus for free. No placement fees, no pay to be seen. A better way to secure your next role than disappearing into CV libraries and agency inboxes. So, for your next vacancy, don't start with another generic employment agency. Start with Astrala Nexus. Visit the Astrala Nexus website today and connect with Brad McDonnell or Peter Walker to see the platform, the intelligent market mapping service, and the roadmap to MVP 2. And this is only the beginning. Coming June 2026, Clara Nexus AI, an emotionally intelligent recruitment co-pilot designed specifically for UK construction, mining, and civil engineering. Beyond that lies the full Astrala blueprint. Join us at Astrala Nexus, and let's build the teams that build the future.